Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new MAKARTT Snatch'd collection. I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. This kit retails for $44.99 and it is a holiday exclusive. You get a base coat, top coat, 4 polygels, a nail file, and of course a double-ended polygel nail brush. It also comes with these really cute holiday nail stickers, as well as some dual forms. I'm not going to be using these today, I wanted to use nail tips instead. And you also get a little instruction booklet. That's everything the kit comes with, so let's get into swatching. This first shade is called Bronzer. It's this really pretty glittery color. The next shade is called Highlighter. It's a silver glitter. This shade is called Contour. It's a deep brownish kind of purple color. And the last shade is called Blended, and it's just sort of a tan. I'll be using 70% isopropyl alcohol as my slip solution. Starting on my thumb, I'm taking the shade Blended, and I'm going to start patting that into place. I recently became a MAKARTT brand ambassador. You can use my code Kayla15 for 15% off the entire site. I make a small commission through purchases made through my referral link or my affiliate code. So if you're interested at all, I'll leave a link down below if you wanted to go check it out. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like nail videos or nail content, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Here I'm adding a little bit more to the cuticle area. Don't mind my thumb. The other day I wasn't even thinking about it and I just picked at the skin. It's a pretty bad habit of mine that I'm trying to break, but just ignore that. I also wanted to say this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I just really love the colors and I wanted to test it out. Now on the pointer finger, I'm taking the same blended color and I'm going to put it halfway down the nail and start molding the shape. I also wanted to mention that these polygels were pretty easy to squeeze out. I know sometimes polygel can be really stiff, but I had a pretty smooth time with these ones. Now with the spatula side, I'm scraping some polygel off the end. And I'm going to start patting and trying to blend it down. Now with the silver glitter, I'm squeezing some out and I'm going to be trying to do a glitter ombre. And I did want to talk a little bit about the collection. I didn't look into it a whole lot before purchasing, and so just on first impressions, the name Snatch'd was a bit strange, or it just seemed out of place. But now seeing the shade names and everything, it's very clear that it's inspired by makeup. And in the makeup community, especially here on YouTube, if you consume makeup content, you'll hear that word being used all the time. So it does make a little bit more sense to me now after diving into the products. So yeah, I just wanted to touch on that. I just thought it was kind of interesting. Now on the middle nail, I'm taking the contour color and I'm going to do the whole nail with this one. Polygel is perfect for beginners because it allows you to take as much time as you need. Unlike acrylic, which will begin to set, polygel stays moldable until you decide to cure it. So if you're a beginner, I absolutely recommend trying out polygel. You'll definitely have a smoother time with that. Now onto our ring finger, I wanted to attempt a marble design. So I'm taking the contour color and the blended shade and I'm just sort of squeezing them all over the place. Honestly, these two colors together reminds me of peanut butter and jelly. Let me know if you guys see that too. That's like all I could see. I've actually never attempted a marble effect with polygel, so I was pretty excited to try this and just see how it comes out. I'm just patting it all into shape, trying to pull the colors so they give a cool effect. Now onto the pinky nail, I'll be doing another ombre design. I'm starting with the contour color and I'm going to blend it down. I wanted to utilize all the colors in this kit so we could get a good feel for how they all perform. I'm doing the same thing as before, scraping some of the gel off and blending it down. Now with the glitter bronzer color, I'm going to put that on top and start blending. So here they all are. I'm going to wipe the sticky layer off with some alcohol. We don't want to gunk up our file. And I'm going to use the file that came in the kit and just start shaping. Polygel is a lot softer than acrylic, so filing is usually an easier time. Now that we're all filed and shaped, I'm going to apply base coat to all the nails. I like to do this so I have a smooth surface for whatever nail design I end up doing. And I wanted to do a combination of silver and gold decorations just so that we can tie it all together since I used both the silver and gold glitters. I'm using MAKARTT's rhinestone gel and I'm topping it with some top coat to adhere our rhinestones. I always use this method and I've never had any issues with it. And I'm just going to start our crystal placement. I really love the look of bling nails. They're probably one of my favorite nail designs. Taking some gold pieces now, I'm trying to accent the silver rhinestones. And with some gold caviar beads, I outlined everything. I did most of this off camera just because working with caviar beads can be such a pain. I also added some gel to where I wanted to place more beads. So here's how that nail came out. I really love it. I'm going to be adding some cuticle crystals to the pointer and pinky nail, starting with silver, then I go in with some gold accents and some more gold caviar beads. So here's how that nail came out, and I just did the same thing on my pinky nail. Now onto the thumb, I'm just going to be repeating the same process. I'm not sure if you can see, but some polygel got filed away near the cuticle, so I wanted to cover that up. And one final cure. So here's how the nails came out. I think they came out so pretty. The kit was so easy to use, and I love the colors. They're perfect for fall. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but the darker color, the contour color, is actually a bit see-through, so it just kind of has a really cool effect on the marble nail where you can see through it a little bit. If you guys are at all interested in this kit, I'll link it down below. Don't forget to use code Kayla15 for 15% off. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.